Good morning, children. Sai Ram. Now we will begin with our maths class. Okay, you all are sitting with your pencil, eraser, and notebook. Yes? Okay. So we will continue with our chapter 2, numbers 200 to 1000. Okay? So ready? Shall we start? Now see. Numbers 600 to 700. You have to write the numbers. 601, 602. Okay, like this. You will keep on writing in your neat and clean handwriting. So you will reach up to 610. Now what will come after 610? 611, 612. You are writing. So you will finish up to 620. Now after 620, what you will write? 621, 622. Now go on writing. Finish up till 630, 630. Okay. 630 you will finish. Then after 630, what you will write? 631, 632, 633. Yes, like that you will reach 639. You will reach. Then 640. After 640 you will begin with 641, 642, and keep on writing, and you will reach up to 650. Okay, you go on repeating the numbers. First listen here, then afterward you will write the numbers. You will put heading numbers, and then you will start writing from 601 to 700. Now after 650, 651, 652. You are reading loudly. 653, 654. Keep on counting. Yes. Then 659, then 660, then 661, 662. Keep counting. Then you will reach up to 670. Then 671, 672, 673. Then again you will stop at 680. After that 681, 682, 683. Keep on counting. Then you will stop at 689. Then 690, 690. Then after 690, 691, 692. Yes, keep on counting. 693, 694, 695, 696, 697, 698, 699, and what will come after that? 700. Okay, so you all know the numbers from 600 to 700. You will write it afterward in your neat and clean handwriting and inside the boxes. Okay, so what you will put the heading? Numbers 601 to 700. Okay, now next, see what we will do. Now the number names. You will write the number names. The heading will be number names, and you will write in one page 601, that is 601. So you all know the spelling of 6. So S-I-X, 6, 100, H-U-N-D-R-E-D, 100, O-N-E, 1. Like this, in one page you will write up to 610. You can see here from 601 to 610 is being written. Like this you will write. Okay. Now see the next page. Again in next page you will write 611, 612, 613, 615, 617, 618, 619, 620. You all know the number name of 20 also. So you will write 620. T-W-E-N-T-Y. Understood? You all can write the number names now, no? You all have learned the spellings also? Yes? So, like this, you will write up to 700. What you will do? You will write up to 700. So, before 700, what will come? See, 699. And what is the number name of it? This 6, S-I-X, 6, 100, H-U-N-D-R-E-D, 100, then 90, N-I-N-E-T-Y, 90, then 9, N-I-N-E. Okay, like this, whenever you are writing the number names, you will write the numbers, you will spell out like this, you will read loudly. If you are writing 652, how you will write? You will say 652. You will write 6, 5, 2. 6, 5, 2. Then you will write 600, spelling of 100, then 50, then 2. Then if you spell like this, your number name will be correct. It won't be wrong. Okay. Like this, neatly you will write up to 700, the number names also. You will write the numbers and the number names. Is it clear to you? Now children, we will do revision of tens and ones, which we have done in first standard. So, you all repeat after me. 1 tens, 10, 2 tens, 20, 3 tens, 30, 4 tens, 40, 5 tens, 50, 6 tens, 60, 7 tens, 70, 8 tens, 80, 9 tens, 90, 10 tens, 100. Okay, you all remember? Now see here, there are two abacus rod, one of tens and another is of ones. So on the ones, how many balls are there? How many beads are there? 2. And on the tens, there are 3. So 3 tens make 30 and 2 ones make 2. So we get the number 32. We get the number 32. Okay, understood? Now see, here again abacus rod is there. 1 10 and 9 ones. So 19. 10 and 9 make 19. On the next picture, 1 10 and 5 ones, that makes 10 and 5 make 15. The last one, 2 rods, 10 and of ones, one is of 10 and another is of ones. So 1 10 and 3 ones, that 1 10 makes 10 and 3 ones make 3. So we get the number 13. Okay, you all remember? Now I will teach you something new. Hundreds, tens, ones. Now there will be 3 abacus rod. You can see here in the picture. One is of hundreds, tens, ones. Now see, there are 2 balls on the hundreds. And on the 10 there is 1 and on the ones there is 4. So 2, 1, 4. The number shows 2 hundreds, 1 10 and 4 ones. So we are getting 214. What you are getting? 214. See here, here it is 4, 1 and 2. You can see? So we get the number 214. Okay? Now again see hundreds, tens, ones. 129. Okay? Now see 129. 9 on the ones. 2 tens, that is 20 and 100. You are getting the number 129. Now see, if there are like this 3 rods, 110 ones and the number is, suppose here it is, we will make 2 and here 1 and 1, 2, 3. So what you will get? Here you will write 2, 1 and 3. That is 312. So 2 in ones place, 1 in tens place and 3 in hundreds place. Okay? Now again 110 ones. You count on the ones place. How much is there? 3. Then on the tens, 4. And on the hundreds, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what number it is? 643. So there are, here you will write like this, 600, 4 tens and 3 ones. You can write like this, 600 plus 40 plus 3. So we get 643. Have you understood? 110 ones. Now we will do expanded form. Expanded form means you have to expand the number. Whatever number is there, see, suppose the number is 613. You have to expand it. You have to make this number big. You have to stretch this. So you can write like this, 600. When you are reading the number, you are saying 613. So 600, 1 tens, that is 10 and 3 ones. 600 plus 10 plus 3, you get 613. Okay? Now here you can see expanded form. It is written 100 plus 20 plus 3. That is hundreds. 20 is tens and 3 is ones. So what you will get here number? 1, 2, 3. That is 123. You can write in the expanded form like this 100. You will put the addition sign plus 20 plus 3. Now again see, the number is 243. When we are expanding this number, we are writing 200 plus 40 plus 3 and we are getting the number 243. Okay, so this is the expanded form. We expand, we make the number big when we are writing. We write the number in hundreds, tens, ones like this and put the addition sign. So have a look here, short form and expanded form. Short form is 498, that is 498 is written, and expanded form is 400 plus 9 tens plus 8 ones. So you can write like this, 400 plus 90 plus 8. You can see it. Now the next one is 607. Again you are writing in number names form also. 600 plus 0 tens plus 7 ones. So 600 plus 0 plus 7. Okay, understood? Now see if it is 543. How you will, this is the short form, this is the short form, and you have to write in the expanded form. How you will write it? 500 plus 40 plus 3. So you are getting the number 543. Understood what is short form and what is expanded form? Short form is the number whatever you are writing, and the expanded form you have to write in hundreds plus 10 plus ones. Okay. Now again have a look here. Here the number is 798. So how you will write? We will write like this, 700 plus 90 plus 8. So this is the expanded form. Again see the number 122. So you will write like this, 100 plus 20 plus 2. This is the expanded form. This is the short form. Understood what is expanded form and what is short form? Now I will give you some example. Look here. We will draw 3 abacus rod, 100, tens and ones. Now the number is 228. Here you will draw how many balls? 8 balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And here 2 balls. Again here 2 balls. Okay, like this you can make balls on the abacus rod. Now this number is the, now you are getting the short form. Now how you will write this in expanded form? 200. How you will read? 228. 200 plus 20 plus 8. This is the expanded form. Okay. Now again I will give you a number. Where is my brush? Yes. 613. This you will draw on the abacus rod. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Then 1. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you get 613. And how you will write this in expanded form? 600 plus 10 plus 3. So 613. Now one more example I will give you, that is 624. Now tell me how you will write this in expanded form. 624. Yes, 600 plus 20 plus 4. Okay, teacher is writing it below. I don't have place, that's why. Okay, now is it clear for you? The short form and expanded form. So you will read like this, 624 or 639, like this you will say. Then you can write this in the expanded form. Okay. Now see, ways to write numbers. Here one number is given, 257. That is standard, that is the short form we write, 257. Now the expanded form is 200 plus 50 plus 7. And the number name of this is 250, F-I-F-T-Y 50 and S-E-V-E-N 7. So you all know the number names also. So short form, expanded form and the number names, like this we can write. Now see the worksheet of this expanded form. The numbers are given. You can note it down. I will repeat the numbers. You can write in your notebook. Okay. The first one has been done for you. The number is 234. So you will write it 200 plus 30 plus 4. Okay. Note down the next one. You just write the numbers and afterward you will solve it. 513, 673, 947, 682, 870, 701. Okay. Now this is your home assignment, your homework. You have to write the after and before numbers. You all know how to write the after and before numbers. See, 610. What will come after 610? 611. Then 645, 646. Now see number 3. Before 650 there is a blank space. That means you have to write the before number. So it will be 649. Okay, the rest you will do. I have explained you. So you will do this homework. Now you see, you have to draw the beads. In your notebook, now we are doing 110s ones. So you will just draw the, now you can also note down the numbers. I will repeat the numbers. You note it down and you will make like this abacus rod. 100 HTO. You will write like this and make the balls. And the numbers are given. I will say the numbers. You note it down. Okay. The first number is 623. Then is 654. 637, 682, 671, 618. Okay. Have you copied down the numbers? Then it will easy for you. You will just write, draw the beads, the numbers you have written. Now you can draw the lines, the 110 ones, and you will draw the balls or draw the beads. Now again fill in the boxes. 600 plus 30 plus 5. So it is in the expanded form. You have to write in the short form. So what you will write here in the box? 635, that is 635. Understood? The next one also you have to write the short form. Now look here. This one, this box is empty. Plus 80 plus 2. and the answer is given 282. What you will write in this box? 200. Okay, like this there are boxes, you have to fill in the boxes. Okay, just have a look. Shall I go to the next page? Okay, you will do it. Very good. Now you have to write the numbers. Number names are given. So the first one is, you will read like this, 611. So you will write 611. 625. You will read like this and write 625. Okay. So you will complete this. Write the numbers. 606, 679, 695. Now this page you have to write the short form. 400 plus 10 plus 9. What you will get here? 400, 10 and 9 make 19. 900 plus 80 plus 9. Like this you will say. You will get 989. 200 plus 20 plus 2. So 200 plus 20 plus 2, you will get 222. 500 plus 90 plus 0, that is 90. 590. Okay, got it? So you will do this. You will write the short form. Now after this, you know, you have the maths activity. You have to submit the form. So we will discuss here. Look, have a look here, children. Take the correct option. So you all have understood. You all know now the number names, the numbers. You have understood 110 ones, how to draw on the abacus rod. What is the expanded form and short form? Short form is the number which is given. Suppose 618. So you are saying 618, and how you will write in the expanded form? 600 plus 10 plus 8. You will get 618. So whenever you are writing or doing, you will spell it or you will read it loudly. So you can do your sums. Then you will get the correct answer. Okay. Now look here. Tick the correct option. You have to tick the correct option. The short form of 600 plus 10 plus 8 is, you have to select the option. You will get 618. The short number 2. The short form of 600 plus 20 plus 1 is 621. So it is true or false? Think. 621. It is true? Yes, it is true. Got it? You can do now. Oh, now go to the next page. The number name of 637 is, you have to find out here where it is written. 637. 637. Now number 4, 628 is less than 625. Think. It is less? No. So the answer is false. 628 is less than 625? No. The answer is false. Now what comes after 672? 673. Okay. Now the next page. What comes before 697? What comes? 609. What comes before 697? 696. Now question number 7. What comes between 698 and 700? 699. Now question 8. 657 is an even number. Think. Even. It is even or odd? It is true or false? 657 is an even number. No. It is what? It is even or no odd? It is true. 1357. You will think like this. So it is false. Now the next one. The expanded form of 651 is 600 plus 50 plus 1. Now the last one, the expanded form of 642, that is 640 plus 2. It is true or false? Yes, it is true. Understood, children? So it is clear. 100, tens, ones, expanded form and short form. And the number names and the numbers you all know. Okay, so you will do it and you have to fill this online form and submit it. Okay, children, thank you. Bye.